I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: router bands, encryption, and device credentials. Power up the router and connect your laptop to the primary SSID. Once done, assign DHCP reservations or static IPs for hubs and cameras so addresses remain stable. Make sure to note the admin password in a secure place. Next, enable separate guest network for visitors and untrusted EOT. This establishes the only safe path for smart home traffic and avoids IP conflicts later in the setup. You now segment traffic. Create a VLAN or a guest SSID specifically for all EOT devices, limiting LAN access to trusted controllers. Once the VLAN exists, move hubs, cameras, and sensors there. Do not mix with laptops or NAS. Configure firewall rules to block device-to-device lateral movement unless explicitly required. Make sure to enable automatic firmware updates on each device and change default passwords immediately. This reduces attack surface and keeps the smart home functioning reliably without exposing private data. You finish by validating. Run full connectivity and automation tests, checking latency for cameras and voice hubs. Once done, enable logging and monitor traffic for unusual spikes or unknown MAC addresses. Set alerts for new device joins. If something breaks, reboot the router and affected devices, then confirm VLAN and firewall rules haven't been altered. Make sure to update router firmware and device software before retesting. This single-method workflow secures and stabilizes your smart home Wi-Fi while giving you clear recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.